Dear guys, today I am going to tell you about the poem Mystery of the Talking Fan. This is a poem from the book Honeycomb for class 7. For class 7. This poem is for class 7. The name of the poem is Mystery of the Talking Fan. This is a poem in which the poet talks about mystery of the moving fan, talking fan. The poet asks a question: is there a ceiling fan in the room where you are sitting? If there is a fan over your head in the room where you are sitting, and the fan is moving fast, but it is creating sound. It is producing sound. The fan quite or noisy? The poet asks question: is the fan noisy or quiet? If it is noisy, if the fan is noisy, if the fan which is moving over your head, it is making noise. What is the reason? Just the poet is telling here that it is distant relative of the talking fan. Just is still telling here that the fan is talking. Sound is there. Sound is there in fan which is moving over your head. What is this? Try to find out. Once there was a talking fan. The poet is telling here that once he saw that a fan was moving over his head. Electrically chatter, sound, chatter, that is, chatter means to move continuously, talk continuously, which is talking continuously, or that is creating sound continuously. Fan which was moving over his head, it was producing, creating sound regularly, continuously. Just I could not quite hear what he said. The poet was not able to understand what the fan is telling. What is the meaning of this sound? What is the he tried to find out what the fan was telling. What the fan was telling when it was moving and creating noise. Just, and I hope it does not matter. Just the poet said that does not matter. No matter is there. कोई बात नहीं, कोई इसमें मामला नहीं. Why? Because one day some electrician or technician came and oiled the fan. Fan को तेल वगैरह डाल दिया उसमें, oiling किया. Because one day somebody oiled this fan which was making sound, which was creating sound. His little whirling motor which was moving, whirling, that is moving round, that is जो चक्कर लगा रहा था, जो घूम रहा था. He oiled the motor, and what happened then after oiling? What happened? What was the result? And all the mystery was spoiled, all the mystery disappeared, all the mystery, that is which he was thinking that fan is talking, moving of the fan which was noisy, fan which was creating noise, producing noise, it vanished forever. Why? Because some came and oiled it. This motor oiled, and all the mystery was spoiled. He ran as still as water, and it was noiseless now. After this, the fan became noiseless. No sound, no noise was there now. It was moving. It ran as just still water. Water ki tarah. So peaceful, soundless, noiseless it became. Just the poet is talking here about the talking fan, and I hope you will have understood this poem, and just I'm sending solutions of this poem. Try to understand it. Thanks.